I want to talk about steel clip-on wheel weights because it's time to change the conversation. When I say steel clip-on wheels, I mean they're made from steel. Of course, Plus Auto has those, along with a full variety of clip-on wheel weights to fit almost every make and model. And if your first thought was, it's too stiff, they're a pain to work with, stick with me. And this isn't just another weight in a box. This is specifically designed for those who balance tires all day long. Steel wheel weights get a bad rap. A lot of people say that they're too stiff, they're difficult to work with, and then they create a lot of waste. That might have been the case before, but that's not what this is. Easy as pie. These aren't designed to flex unnecessarily, and that's intentional. They're engineered to hold their shape, sit cleanly against the wheel, and hold their shape once they're installed. What you get is a consistent fitment, predictable mounting, and a clip that installs the same way every time without deforming or loosening. That means fewer redos, less guesswork, and a balance that stays balanced. They're available in a huge variety, so you're covered no matter what rolls into your bay. Steel, alloy, domestic, import, no matter what, you're not going to be guessing or forcing a fitment. Even Plus Auto's packaging is premium without the premium markup. So if you want steel clip-on wheel weights that work the way they should, Plus Auto steel clip-on wheel weights are now available at TireSupplyNetwork.com. Better balance, less hassle, that's Plus Auto.